Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video. Welcome to my channel. My name is Janie, and if you're new here, I do videos on all things cute, whether that's Squishmallows, Squishables, Build-A-Bear, Loungefly, Sanrio, pretty much anything that's cute. If you like that kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment, because that really helps me battle it out with this algorithm. So I'm going to talk about Squishables today. I love Squishables. I have a whole playlist for Squishables, I think. If not, I'm going to create one because I just think they're very cute. They're very cute, they're often on sale, and they're very easily attainable in terms of like scarcity and how Squishables produces their products. It's not like Squishmallows where you have to like hunt them down, even though I'm beginning to realize that for a lot of people it's the hunt that makes it worth it. For me, I hate it. I have very much burned out with Squishmallow. I've only gotten one in the past 2 months, and that was the Togepi Pokemon one. I don't even think I did a video on it. They had an anniversary sale. This is their biggest sale of the year. Typically they'll do 20 to 30% off quite frequently, online, in person. I always try to wait for something better. So for their anniversary sale, all of their big plushies that are originally are this price were this price, and all of their smaller ones were originally this price, and now for the sale they were this price. So I picked up quite a few things that I've been meaning to get. Some plushies like the pigeon were sold out, and others that I wanted were for pre-order only. Today I want to talk about a very specific series. Okay, I realized you were slanted. And that is Pie series. I absolutely love these. These came out late last year. I saw them during the holiday markets in Union Square, and I didn't have a chance to pick them up at the time, but now I have them and they're absolutely adorable. These are all minis, so they're the perfect size where they're not going to take up too much space, and I can fully enjoy all the details without it being just like a thing that I could barely hold up to the screen. So this one is, I can never tell off the bat, this is apple pie. So we're starting off with my favorite. I absolutely love apple pie, especially with the scoop of ice cream on top. Sometimes I get them confused, so I have to read the tag, but this is apple pie. You have the crust, you have the smile, the scoop of vanilla ice cream also has a smile, you have a slice of apple, which is I think what confused me, because I don't really think that looks like an apple, but that could just be me. You have like the pie crust lines. It is the cutest thing. These are so soft. These are so fun. Their comfort foods line is some of my favorite because I just think it's nice to get an ordinary item and just make it very cutesy. They're also just very soft, and I think they're huggable too. It's just a different kind of shape that makes it a little bit different versus a Squishmallow, but it's super cute. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna take some pictures of these later. I'll probably like put them on a plate or something. So that was apple pie. This one's cherry, so a brighter color. I don't know if I've ever had cherry pie in real life, but I like the whipped cream. I think it's cute. Only the filling has a smile, and the little cherry right there has a smile. I'm gonna have to try cherry pie. I do really like cherries, but I don't think I've ever tried any cherries in anything other than just like cherries, other than like raw cherries. So now I'm going to check that out and see if I like it, because the color is really cute. Cherry pie just sounds really cute. I had to have them. It's hard to choose between one, but we'll see. I might have a favorite actually. Next we have pumpkin pie. Let me double check that. Yes, a lot of times with Squishables or even Squishmallows, like I'll hold up a food one and I think it's one thing and I'm actually wrong, and I don't notice it until I'm editing it or until someone points it out in a comment. This is pumpkin pie with some whipped cream, no other toppings. I don't know. I don't think I like pumpkin pie. I don't know if I've ever had it, but I have had pumpkin. No, I did. I had the McDonald's version. You know how they have the apple pie? One time they had sold out on it. As a substitute, they gave me pumpkin pie, and I didn't like it. It wasn't bad or anything, but I don't know. It was either too sweet or not sweet enough. I can't remember. But this one's a cutie. I'm probably going to try out pumpkin pie again. Just maybe like real pumpkin pie. Maybe the McDonald's one just, you know, probably isn't an accurate. The McDonald's one might have just not been good pie, but this is really cute. They're so soft. I wish they smelled. I was talking to my husband about it when we opened these up, that it'd be really cool if they had a scent to them. But this is the pumpkin pie. Last but not least, we have my husband's favorite. Certainly not mine. Wait, let me double check this again. We have cheesecake. I do not like cheesecake. I've only had it, I don't know, I just don't like it. And I like cheese, but I don't like cheesecake. There was one like plant-based cheesecake that I tried out. Like my friend gave me some of hers. It was like vegan strawberry cheesecake. I believe that was actually really good. But like normal cheesecake, I didn't like it. One time I tried chocolate cheesecake. that was terrible. So I don't like it, but my husband loves cheesecake, so this was his favorite. And I almost didn't purchase it because it's cheesecake and not pie. So when I was searching it on the Squishable website, I only got the other 3 as recommendations. This one didn't pop up, so I had to type it in just to make sure that it did exist. But yes, this is cheesecake. I like the little pile of cherries. I think that's what threw me off about these two. It's the filling that's different, but the cherries are just so cute stacked on top like that. I don't like cheesecake in real life, but as a plushie, it's actually pretty cute. So I think if I had to choose a favorite, it would be apple pie. Probably because I'm biased because I like how it tastes so much, but I just like the scoop of ice cream a little bit better. And I think cheesecake would be a strong second because that little pile is just so cute. Those are all the plushies for this video. Now I'll do the price breakdown because I actually don't remember how much everything was. Alright, so each of the mini pies were $16.99. So this actually also serves as my first time making a purchase with my Squee membership. So Squishables has a membership that gives you basically free shipping for a whole year along with some discounts throughout. I was never able to put it to the test because usually all the items, like the cotton candy one, was a pre-order, so it was already eligible for free shipping. This time I actually had the membership and was able to make good use out of it because this is something I noticed. Again, I'm not sponsored by Squishables, so I'm going to be very honest here that I noticed that when they have good sales, that the free shipping over $50 goes away when they're having good sales. So for this sale, the shipping was no longer $50 like minimum. It was $150 or $200, something like that, which I guess I get because we're saving money on the plushies. If you have a Squee membership like I did, you automatically get free shippings, but I would be irritated as someone who wasn't a Squee member that they raised the free shipping minimum. But it is what it is. I guess I'm not surprised. I paid $11 in sales tax and my total ended up $134.92. This was a one-time thing. I haven't bought plushies in a really, really long time, so I did treat myself to these, and I'm not going to mention the other ones that I picked up because I want that to be for a video that's coming up. But I will tell you that another video that's coming up is the Kuromi Build-A-Bear one because that literally went live at the time that I'm filming this video, which is on Thursday, June 8th, and I am so excited. Cannot wait to get it. I was just talking about how Build-A-Bear needs to release more Sanrio plushies because I'm super impatient. And lo and behold, Kuromi came out less than 2 days later. That is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think down below. Are you a Squishables fan? Do you prefer Squishmallow? Let it all out. Let me know, and I will see you very soon with another video. Bye.